Hey guys, it's Mrs. Hanson here. It's been a while since I've seen you guys. It's rough not to be able to talk to you guys and interact with you, know what's going on in your lives. And so I thought what I'd do is just give a little video of what the plan is moving forward and what we've done so far. In the beginning, I was giving you daily assignments, but I found that with how much you guys had, that was too much. So I have cut that down quite a bit for you guys. So we're going to go through and look at Canvas. Okay. So Canvas, Reading 9, Semester 2, and Reading 10 through 12, Semester 2, look exactly the same. So it doesn't matter that I'm on Reading 9 if you're in the upper class. I do have my Zoom hours, which are 12:15 to 1:15. And guys, that doesn't mean that you have to ask me a question. You can just get on there and talk to me. Just let me know how you're doing. It doesn't have to be related specifically to an assignment. But if you do have questions, please feel free to get on at these times. If it's after or before these times, then you can always email me or send me a message on Remind, and I usually get right back to you guys. So looking at this, we'll go to the modules. And this kind of shows everything I have planned. So as of today, week of 413 should be available to you. And so we have for this week, Spelling Unit 2 Review, Vocab Lesson 7, and the study guide for the class novels. So I try to give you a little time. I've been checking up with some students on what chapter they're on, so I feel like April 17th is quite a bit of extra time for you guys to have to get your novels read and to get your study guides filled in. So I'd really appreciate if you could get that to me by Friday. Looking ahead at the following weeks, so 420 next week, we're going to continue on with spelling and vocab in each of the weeks. I've only gone up to 518. I believe we have one more week after that. But I think spelling and especially vocabulary is really important in terms of practicing and getting up to that 1,000 Lexile. So we will continue on with the spelling and vocab. As I said, I've cut down many of the assignments, so I'm really only giving you, looks like about 3 assignments each week. For this week, I told you already, you're going to do the class novels. Next week, you're going to have a project where I've given you, I think 5 or 6 different choices where you can decide which project you want to do for your book, which really ultimately just shows me that you have read the book. And I'm giving you 2 weeks for that, which is why you don't have anything here in this week, because I'm going to have you be working on this as well. And then we'll do some comparing and contrasting with the news. And then I'm going to give you one more project to kind of finish off the last 3 weeks is what I'm looking at. So again, I tried really hard not to give you guys too much. I know in the beginning, it ended up being a lot. And so, I'm not counting them late, but you should turn in these assignments as soon as you can. And they're really just to help you, honestly, with your reading. I'm not completely sure as of yet if we'll be able to do the reading, the SRI test at the end of the year, but for sure, you guys are going to have to do it at the beginning of next year. And so between now and then, if you don't do any reading, it's more than likely that your number's going to go down. So it's really important that you're continuing on reading, I'd say 20 minutes at least 3 times a week, now and in through summer as well. And I'll give more information when I know more about the SRI at the end of the year. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on where we're going. And I wanted to tell you guys that I miss you very much. I miss seeing you guys. So I hope you guys have a good week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.